Okay, dear students, God bless you. Welcome to Max class. In this class, we are going to see about applications of sets with multiplication and division. The last class we have discussed the properties of addition and subtraction for the sets. Okay. Exercise 2.6, second question. Simplify the following using multiplication and division properties of sets. Okay. The first question is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. The orders are same. The solution the first question is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. So order is a 2. So orders are same means write with a single square value 3 into 5 into 2. That's all, which is equal to the square root of 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. That's all your answer. So not exact root value of 30. So this is the simplest form. That's all. Then the second question, root of 35 is divided by root 7. So division property. Nth root of a divided by nth root of b is equal to nth root of a by b. This is your general notation. Okay, nth root of a divided by nth root of b is equal to nth root of a by b. This is your property. Okay, here I want to write root of 35 divided by root of 7. Okay, roots are same. So write the square root of 35 divided by 7. 1 7s are 7, 5 7s are 35. So root of 5 is your answer. Okay, that's all. I understood the property. Then the third question is cube root of 27 and cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. Okay, this is your third question. The cube root of 27 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. This is equal to the cube root of, you know the cube root. The cube root of 27 into 8 into 125, which is equal to, what is the cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 multiplying 3 times we get 27. And what is the cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 125 is 5. Already well known. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. That's all your answer of the third subdivision. Okay, next fourth subdivision. So fourth is 7 into root a minus 5 into root b and 7 into root a plus 5 into root b. This is look like a plus b, a minus b. This is a, if you consider a, this is b means a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula of algebraic expression? A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. This is already known the algebraic formula. So using here. Okay, the fourth subdivision. The fourth question is 7 into root a minus 5 into root b and 7 into root a plus 5 into root b. Okay, the solution, we know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, here a is equal to 7 into root a, b is equal to 5 into root b. Okay, applying here 7 into root a plus b is equal to 5 into root b and 7 into root a minus 5 into root b, a minus b equal to a square 7 into root a the whole square minus 5 into root b the whole square. Okay, the 7 square means the square common for both the term, a square. So 7 square, 7 7s are 49 and the square root of a, the square root and square are cancelled. So you get a minus 5 square is 25 and square root and square are cancelled. Next we get b. Okay, 49a minus 25b. That's all the fourth question answer. Next, the fifth question is square root of 225 divided by 729 minus the square root of 25 divided by 144. So all the square values also well known. We already learned up to 30 square numbers. Okay, the question is 16 divided by 81. This is your fifth question. Okay, what is this is the division law. So the division of value, division of a by b. So square root of 225 is 15. 15s are 225. Okay, then divided by the square root of 729 is 27 minus 25 square. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 5s are 25 divided by square root of 144 is 12. Okay, then is divided by square root of 16. Okay, square root of 16 is, what is the square root of 16 is 4. 4 4s are 16. Square root of 81 is 9. Okay, simplifying this value. Okay, so multiplying this two value first. This two value. So 15 12s are. 15 12s are. Okay, this is 5 2s are 10. Okay, carry 1. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 0 8 1. So 180 minus 27 5s are. 7 5s are 35. Then 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 135. Whole divided by 27 into 12. 27 into 12. 2 7s are 14, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 2s are 2. So 4, this is 12, carry 1 3. 324. Okay, is divided by 4 by 9. So all are simplification. So this is converted 10 because making the transformation 10 minus 5 5. This is reduced one value, so 7 minus 3 is 4 and 1 minus 1 0 divided by 324. The division change into multiplication to interchange the numerator and denominator. 9 divided by 4, which is equal to, okay, 1 9s are 9, 3 9s are 27, balance 5, 6 9s are, okay, 6 9s are 54. Okay, that's all. Then 45 divided by 36 into 1 by 4 is equal to, this is using the ninth table. 4 9s are 36. This is 5 9s are 45. So 5 by 4 into 1 by 4 equal to 5 divided by 4 4s are 16. So 5 by 16 is your, okay, 1 4s are 4 9s are 36 and 5 9s are 45. Then 5 by 4 into 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 5s are 5, 4 4s are 16. That's all your answer. Okay, this is for your fifth question. Have you understood the answer? Okay, dear students, third question, if square root of 2 is equal to 1.414, root 3 is equal to 1.732, root 5 is equal to 2.236, root 10 is equal to 3.162, then find the value of the following correct to 3 places of decimals. So 3 places of decimals value only given. Okay, one also find with the 3 decimal places answer. The solution for the first question, root of 40 minus root of 20. So this value converted into root 2, root 3, root 5 or root 10 type. Okay, so the square root of, this is square root only using the square numbers and multiplying with the 2, 3, 5 or 10. So this value multiplying by 10 we get square number 4. 4 is a square number and as well as the given square root value answer minus. This is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20 because the 4 is a square number. Okay, so is equal to square root of 4 is 2 then root 10 minus square root of 4 is 2. This is for root 5. So is equal to 2 into root 10 answer. Root 10 answer is 3.162. Okay. 3.162 minus 2 into root 5 answer. Root 5 answer 2.236. 2.236. 2.236. Okay. So multiplying this two number, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Then decimal point, 2 3s are 6, minus 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Making the subtraction, we get the answer. 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 7. That is making the transformation, we get 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. Then 2. Reduce the value. Then making once again the transformation, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Point. This is 5. 5. Reduce the value. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1.852 is your answer. Okay. The second sum is square root of 300 plus root of 90 minus root of 8. Okay. This can be written in the form of the square number. This is 100 into 3. 100 3s are 300 plus square root of this is, okay, this is 90. So 9 10s are 90. Okay. Minus this is for 8. So 4 2s are, okay, this is for 8. So square root of 4 into 2, which is equal to, the square root of 100 is 10, then root 3, plus square root of 9 is 3, root of 10, minus square root of 4 is 2, the remaining root 2. Okay, 10 into root 3 answer, so 1.732. So already given your question. 3 into root 10 answer, 3.162, minus 2 into root 2 answer, 1.414. These all are approximate value. Then multiplying this value with 10 means making a one more decimal. So this decimal move to right side, 17.32, plus this value multiplying by 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18, carry 1. 1 3s are 3 plus 1, 4. 0.33s are 9. Minus 2 4s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 0.12s are 2. That's all. First making the addition, 2. This is get one more 0. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 8 is 0. 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Points. And 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 2.828. Okay. Then making the subtraction, 6 minus 8. So making the transformation here, then here. This is for 9. This is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. This is reduced 7. Okay. 7. So making the transformation, 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Point. This is 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Then this is 2. This is the answer. 23.978. That's all. Okay, dear student, next fourth question, arrange sets in descending order. So suppose given any number, you write in the order, ascending order is smaller number to bigger number, and the descending order is bigger number to smaller number. Want to write means ascending and descending order is very easy. But now the sets value is only given. So now how to find the descending order and ascending order of the sets? Okay, the question is arrange sets in descending order. Okay, the solution, the first question, cube root of 5 and 9th root of 4 and 6th root of 3. Okay, then the order of these sets are, order of given sets are 3, 9, 6. Okay. So order of the given sets 3, 9, 6. This is the order. Okay. First step, find the LCM of the order. LCM of 3, 9, 6 is 18. Okay, already known the how to find the LCM. So LCM of this number is 18. Okay, so all the powers converted into 18. Okay, the first number, cube root of 5, this can be right 5 power 1 by 3, the fractional index. Is it or not? This is equal. Then the 5 power, the 1 by 3 is multiplying by 6 by 6, we get 18. 6 3s are 18. All the index value converted into 18. So which is equal to 5 power 1 6 are 6 divided by 3 6 are 18. Now we get the order of 18. So this number, so 3 power 5 is equal to, so 18th, this is the index value. So 18th root of 5 power 6, the power 6. Is it or not? Okay. So 18 into square root of 5 power 6. 5 multiplying in 6 times. What do you get? So 15,625. This is your homework. 5 multiplying in 6 times, we get 15,625. That's all. Okay. Next, what is the another one sets? 9th root of 4. So 9th root of 4 equal to 4 power 1 by 9. This 4 power 1 by 9 is multiplying by 2 by 2. The power multiplying by 2 by 2. We get the 18 power. So 4 power 1 2s are 2. 9 2s are 18. So this number can be right in the form of 18th root of 4 power 2. Okay. So 18th root of 4 power 2 means 4 multiplying 2 times, we get 16. Okay. This is one answer. This is one. The second number. And third number is what? Third number is 6th root of 3. Okay. 6th root of 3. 6th root of 3 can be right 3 power 1 by 6. The 3 power 1 by 6 is multiplying by 3 by 3, we get 3 6 are 18. So 3 power 1 3s are 3 by 6 3s are 18. The 3 power 3 by 8 can be right 18th root of 3 power 3. Okay. Is it or not? So is equal to 18 into 18th power of 3 power 3 is 27. 3 multiplying 3 times, we get 27. This is for 3. So from 1 to 3 we get, okay, from 1, 2 and 3 we get the descending order of the sets. The sets are cube root of 5, 9th root of 4 and 6th root of 3 is the answers are. Okay. Comparing the three answer, this is 18th root of 15,625. This is 18th root of 16. So 18th root of 27. So the descending order can be right in bigger number to smaller number. Which one is here bigger? So comparing the 3 root value, this is the bigger one, 15,000. Okay, all the sets are equal, or the orders are equal. So directly compare the numbers. This is the greater one and least greater is this, and then the least greater is this. Okay, this is first one, second and third. Have you understood? So write the descending order of the given sets is, okay, given sets is 18th root of 15,625 is greater than 18th root of 27 is greater than 18th root of 16. Okay, that is this corresponding value is the first one 3 root 5, and this 27 corresponding root is last one 6th root of 3, and this is corresponding root value is 9th root of 4. That's all. This is your answer. In this slide you do the second sum. This is your homework. Okay, so here I simplifying one step and then you do the homework. The second question is square and cube root of 5. Okay, then the cube root of 4th root of 7 and the square root of 3. This is equal to the square root of cube root of 5, which is equal to, this is a rule, a root of b root of x equal to ab root of x. This is one of the condition. Okay, so here product of order means 2 3s are 6 root of 5. Okay, that's all. Then the second number cube root of 4th root of 7 equal to 3 4s are 12 and 12th root of 7. Okay, then the square root of 3 is equal to, this is square 2, this is 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 4th root of 3. So now we get 3 root sets value. So now you find out the descending order of the given sets. This is your homework. Okay, so the remaining portions are homework. First find the LCM of the order, then converting all the sets into like sets. Okay, then find out the descending order. Okay dear students, today's homework, book page numbers 63 and 68, example 2.20, exercise 2.6, question number 4, second subdivision. That's all your homework. So do it well. Thank you. God bless you.